the average concept taught as early as primary 5. Alright, so let's discuss the total number of pins produced by machine A and machine B was 964. The total number of pins produced, okay, there should be a D there, not producers, produced, okay, produced by machine A and C was 1146. Total number of pins produced by machine B and machine C was 1106. Find the average number of pins produced by these three machines. So to do this, we can get a better visual by drawing for ourselves three sets of models. Okay, so we can have for machine A plus machine B, this in total will be 964, and then we can also have for machine A plus machine C. This one here is a bit longer in total because it's 1146. Earlier one is just 964. So 1146. And then we can have for B and C. This one here is slightly lesser, so 1106. And to find the average of the three machines, we can use a Tan triangle, whereby to find the average, we need to know the total of the three machines divide by 3. Okay, at the moment, it seems like it's all over the place, but if you notice, there are 2 A's here, there are also 2 B's, there are also 2 C's. So basically, what does this mean? If you add up these 3 sets of models, you will achieve 2 A blocks, you will achieve 2 B blocks and 2 of the C blocks as well. Yeah, so let's draw that out. A and A, and then we also have B and B, C and C. So in total, we can find what is the sum of all this, which is just going to be 964 plus 1146 plus 1106. Alright, 964 plus 1146 plus 1106. 3216. Alright, now since we have 2 of each, when we divide this entire model into 2, we will just get 1 of each. So when we take 3216 and we divide it by 2, we will get the sum of A, B and C. 3216, divide this by 2 and you will achieve an answer of 1608. So to find the average, it's just total divided by the number of items. Number of machines is 3. We have 3 machines. So 1608 divided by 3. 536 is our final answer for this question.